How to order Chipotle delivery on the website. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search chipotle.com. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, scroll down and you'll find all the options available. Select the one you prefer and press on order. After you've pressed on order in here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Select the ingredients you want and press on add to bag. After that, enter this meal or name, press on save, it will load, and at the top, if it's pick up from at the top, click on it, and then click on delivery, and then add address for your delivery. After you've found the location, you can click on add, and it will lead you to this page. Here, add your name, phone number, and email. Then scroll down in here and simply pay with Apple Pay now, or you can pay later and press on submit order and you're good to go. This is how to order Chipotle delivery on the website. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.